The Siemens iQ300 WK14D321EU washer dryer includes a built-in safety locking system that prevents the door from opening while the machine is running. This feature protects the appliance during washing and spinning by keeping the drum sealed when water is inside or when the drum is rotating. Sometimes users try to open the door immediately after a cycle and think the machine is stuck, when in fact the lock simply needs time to disengage. Learning how to properly unlock the door and start a wash program ensures the appliance operates safely and efficiently. Try these. Step 1. Press the Start Pause button to pause the cycle if the machine is currently running. Step 2. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the door lock indicator turns off and the safety lock releases. Step 3. Gently pull the door handle to open the washer door once the lock disengages. Step 4. Load laundry and add detergent to the detergent drawer before closing the door securely. Step 5. Turn the program selector dial to your desired wash cycle and press Start to begin operation.